What's up, fam? A family in Florida is seeking justice after correction officers broke an inmate's neck and left him to starve to death. A Florida inmate's family is planning to issue a federal lawsuit after an investigation revealed that he was starved after correction officers broke his neck and left him paralyzed for 5 days. According to the report by the Miami Herald, Craig Ridley pleaded for help as prison officers brought food trays that he was unable to reach because he was paralyzed. But reportedly, none of the prison staff, including nurses, believed him when he stated that he was unable to walk. "My neck is broke, I'm paralyzed," said Ridley from the wheelchair in the footage shared with the Miami Herald. Just hours before, officers reportedly tackled Ridley to the ground, dislocating his neck. Ridley's daughter, Jatoon Moss, hopes to seek justice by holding those accountable for their actions. The Florida Department of Law Enforcement stated that Ridley died because of his injuries and starvation. The medical examiner ruled his death a homicide. The 383-page investigation also claimed his death may have been covered up from views shared by the family members and fellow inmates. In 2007, Ridley was sentenced to a 20-year mandatory minimum on charges of attempted murder. The struggle between Ridley and the correction officers occurred on the morning of September 8, 2017, following an altercation. Ridley was brought a wheelchair after informing the officers that he couldn't walk, according to the video footage. Ridley, who was then taken to solitary confinement, ended up falling over and breaking his nose after officers reportedly propped him up on the cell's toilet. The detailed incident is just one of many claims referenced involving Ridley's encounter with the Florida prison. So we got to do something about this. I mean, people shouldn't go to prison and have to die in prison because of cruel and unusual punishment. So far, no charges against the correction officers involved have been brought at this time. According to the Florida Department of Corrections, roughly 450 incarcerated inmates die in Florida state prisons per year. I'm seeing countless instances where black men are being subjected to cruel and unusual punishment in these prisons. Something has to be done about it. Maybe if they held these correction officers accountable, maybe that would stop this stuff.
On the morning of September 8, 2017, Craig Ridley, an inmate at Florida State Prison Hospital, struck a corrections officer in the face. The officers tackled Ridley to the ground, face first. Ridley told them his neck was broken. The officers said he was faking. He wasn't.
Sergeant Meadows was attempting to counsel with him about his attitude getting up to go to work for food service this morning, at which time he struck Sergeant Meadows on the left-hand side of the face. I assisted Sergeant Meadows in placing the inmate on the ground right here. At this time, the inmate's refusing to walk to go to medical for his post-use force physical and pre-confinement. Got a wheelchair on the way. Sergeant Scott, they may need your assistance, sir.
3:33 a.m.
Yep. Don't let it fall out. Don't let it fall out. He's in his wheelchair and he's saying his feet ain't working.
Lean forward a little bit.
Lean forward. Forgive this. Where's the thumb?
I cannot move.
You don't need to move right there.
Please give me back.
Please. You get the reading on your hand, the longer the time, the longer it's going to take. Alright? You can move because blood pressure all the time. Reparalyze.
Ridley, I'm going to uncuff you, okay? Once you put your hands in front of you, after I uncuff you, okay? Need you to lean forward so I can get your hands.
No, that's too far. I can't put, that's too far forward, man. Can you push me back a little bit more?
Gotta get your hands.
Sarge, can you move my head to the left?
Oh, hell no, right.
Stop.
Officers took Ridley to confinement, where he sat for 5 days, paralyzed and unable to move, with other inmates begging staff to help him. Trays of food piled up. Finally, an officer decided Ridley should go to an outside hospital. He was intubated and fell into a coma. A month later, he died. A medical examiner ruled the case a homicide. The causes of death were listed as blunt impact to the head and neck, a major spinal cord injury, and complications of quadriplegia.
Hello, thanks for watching In the Name of Justice. Listen, I created this channel to discuss the injustices experienced by my people, and also to bring to light shootings by police, contradictory stand your ground laws, and other madness done in the name of justice. If you haven't done so already, please hit the bell notification to be notified of new content as I drop it. Please subscribe, and please like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.